Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still moving in a down channel, and in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to move more down from here, or is there any possibility for breaking out the resistance of this down channel? But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame. And here we can see that the price line is very close to test this 100 weekly simple moving average. Right now, the 100 simple moving average is at $31,659, and we dropped up to $32,950. So there is a difference of few $100s to test this 100 weekly simple moving average. And below 100 simple moving average, we have this very strong support of 200 simple moving average moving to the upside. Right now it is at $19,434. I'm not expecting that we are going to test this. I'm expecting that we can have a reversal move from here. You can see aggressively 100 simple moving averages moving up. It is not necessary that the price line moves down. It is also possible that the 100 simple moving average moves up like it is moving up at this time and provides the support to the price line. Now, if we take a look at this RSI oscillator on this weekly time frame, then it is still forming lower than previous low, but the price line is still forming higher low than previous low. So far, it is happening that we are forming higher low than previous low, but the oscillator is forming lower low than previous low. So there is still a hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame. But if the price line breaks this level down and forms another lower than previous low, then this hidden bullish divergence will be removed from the chart, and the price line may follow this head and shoulder pattern and continue the move to the downside. Remember, we have a very strong support at $28,600 with the psychological support at $30,000 approximately here. But if the price line reverses to the upside from here, then we can have an uptrend line support. We are having an uptrend line support, but that support will be confirmed after this powerful reversal. And then we will have a resistance here, and you can see that the price line, if follow the uptrend line support and resistance, then we are moving in a slightly up channel. Therefore, after this reversal, we can form another higher than previous high. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it seems to be that we are losing momentum, like we were moving well between the support and resistance of this channel. And right now, after getting bounced by the support of the channel and also the support of the $35,000, so far the price line is not able to hit the resistance. And if we want to see any kind of powerful bullish reversal from the support, then first we need to break out this resistance of the down channel. And this is another longest channel in the history of Bitcoin on the daily time frame. You can see that the price line entered in this channel here at the start of November, and so far we are moving in this channel, and we are still under a death cross of the 50 and 200 simple moving averages as well. I'm expecting once the price line will be able to break out this resistance of the channel and also this price level resistance of $39,600 as well, then it will be very easy for the price line that it will break out these two simple moving averages as well. And these two simple moving averages can form a golden cross after crossing up these by the price line. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, like on the 4-hourly time frame, then still there is a possibility for a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Previously, I was showing you this move as a right shoulder, and we are rejected by the neckline. But you can see that the price line is now forming a clear right shoulder. That the previous move was very short, but right now we are forming a clear right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. Here we have the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, and you can see that while moving up, it needs to also cross up the $39,600 price level resistance as well. Now, Bitcoin needs to break out this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern as soon as possible. Otherwise, the probability will be increased that the price line will move more down to test the support of the channel once again, and this time if the price line tests the support of the channel, then it will be approximately at $33,000, or maybe if it will test here, that will be below $32,000. So the next few hours are again very important for Bitcoin. We need to keep an eye on this move, on this resistance of the head and shoulder pattern, this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. Once it will be the Bitcoin will be able to break out this neckline, then the probability will be increased that it will break out the resistance of the channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.